Hello guys. Welcome back to our to-do list series part 3. In this video, we will complete our layout of the tool. So, let's start coding. Inside sidebar, add a h2 tag for heading. Add your tasks. Now add a div with class controls. This div will hold the input fields and a button, using which user will add their task to the tool. Now let's switch to main.css and give some style to our heading and the controls. Now go to task status and add nested spans there. To the inner span give ID total count. To outer span give text total tasks. Likewise, do the same thing for completed tasks. Now let's create a sample task for now and give some style to it. As we will move forward in the series, we'll add tasks dynamically with the help of the controls added in the sidebar. That's it for part 3. In the next video, we will make it functional with JavaScript. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.